Hello students, today we are going to discuss about continuation of principles of inheritance and variation. Last class we discussed sex determination. In that there may chance, if exam point of view, minor confusion. Whenever they ask butterfly as well as moth sex determination. The last class I said it already present that in Z0, ZW, ZZ, that is heteromorphic female, homomorphic male. That is maximum number. Suppose if they ask in a question, if they give both Z0, ZZ, ZW, ZZ, then you put the option Z0 female, ZZ male. Even few amount of the moths and butterfly is present, ZW, ZZ, then you put the option Z0 hetero, ZZ homomorphic. Then continuation, the next subtopic, genetic variation. How genetic variation takes place? There are two methods present. That is, one is recombination, another one mutation. Either recombination or mutation, the genetic variation takes place. In this, what is meant by recombination? Recombination means the shuffling of parental genes or sharing of parental genes. Then it forms a new genotype. Sharing of parental genes, then it forms a new genotype. Then what is the causes? What is the possibility? How one can sharing? What are the ways? This recombination. One particular way, that is independent assortment. There are independent assortment according to law of Mendel's law. Then random fertilization. Random fertilization as well as crossing over. These are the causes. There are three causes of recombination. That sharing parental genes within, then one can form, then it forms a new order, new genotypes under independent assortment. Here, two pairs of chromosomes assorted independently, then it forms a new genotypes. Here there is a possibility two pairs of chromosome. There is a four ways are possible. Related independent assortment, if it is more than two pairs of chromosome, suppose three pairs of chromosome, there is 8 ways are present. Suppose 7 pairs, that is 2 to the power of 7. In human being related to 23 pairs are present. In human being, 23 pairs, that is 8.6 million ways are present. The possibility of recombination. Then a random fertilization. This random fertilization, two pairs of chromosome, then fertilize, they form a new genotype. Here, in a random fertilization, two pairs of chromosome, that is 6 chromosomes, which forms two sets of these chromosomes, it possible two pairs of chromosome. It possible four gametes. These four gametes, it may possible 16 combinations. 4 into 4, 16 combinations. So, two pairs means there is a possibility 4 gametes. In that 4 gametes, there may possible 16 combinations. Similarly, in human, total number of pairs, 23 pairs. In that 23 pairs, how many possibility of combinations are present? 8.6 into 10 to the power of 6. 6 combinations. These many number of combinations, roughly 70 into 10 to the power of 12 combinations are possible in human being. Then crossing over to increase recombination. Here, these segmented chromosomes, sharing of these segmented chromosomes, both are sharing. Whenever sharing this segmented, that is non-sister chromatids, then one can increase the recombination during meiotic cell division, that is the chiasmata crossing over meiosis 1. There, the exchanging of these chromatids, non-sister chromatids, it helps to increase recombination. And these are the causes of recombination. Then mutation, another one, mutation. In this mutation, already you know, the sudden inheritance, that discontinuous variations. Sudden inheritance, discontinuous variations. Then, who is the scientist who coined the word as mutation? De Vries. Hugo De Vries. He explained it. He has taken one particular plant, that is Weinotira lamarckiana, in 1901. Weinotira lamarckiana plant, in that many different varieties he has considered. These many varieties he must study. Among these one, he identified 834 mutations. Among these 834 mutational changes he identified. Similarly, along with this, Darwin scientist, instead of this mutation, he put, there is a sports word. The sports word, Darwin scientist one can, saltatory Bateson. So, in mutationally, the sports terminology, the Darwin scientist used. In that mutationally, saltatory Bateson scientist used. In this, what is the ways, how many types of mutation? There are two possibilities, chromosomal as well as genomic or gene mutation. Chromosomal mutation as well as gene mutation. There are two possibilities are present. One is chromosomal, another one gene. One chromosomal, as well as gene mutation. In chromosomal, some of the change the chromosomal number, change in chromosomal number or change in chromosomal structure. Based on that one, in this again genomic mutation as well as chromosomal aberration. Genomic mutation means change in chromosomal number here related to change in chromosomal number. Here, change in chromosomal structure. In that particular way, there is two possibilities are present. In that change in chromosomal number, again, different ways are present. What are the different ways? There are two particular ways are present. That is, what among these one? Polyploidy. Then another aneuploidy. Polyploidy, more than two sets of chromosomes. Polyploidy, more than two sets of chromosomes. Aneuploidy, either deletion or addition, either loss or add of that chromosomes. That is aneuploidy. In polyploidy, more than two sets of chromosomes. Here, either deletion or addition, or loss or deletion or addition of the chromosomes. In the polyploidy, again, there is possibility, again, different types are present. In this polyploidy, there is, if it is more than two sets, it may be possible in three ways. In that particular ways, auto polyploidy, then allo polyploidy, auto polyploidy, allo polyploidy, auto allo polyploidy. In that three ways are present. In aneuploidy, if it is reduced the number, that is we called as hypoploidy. If it is reduced hypoploidy, rather than its parental one, if it reduces one set of chromosome or one chromosome or genome, it represents hypoploidy. If it increase or if it add, that is hyperploidy. Hypoploidy, here normally n into n minus 1 or n minus 1 into n minus 1. Here 2n minus 1, here 2n minus 2. 2n minus 1 normally we called as monosomy. It represents monosomy. 2n minus 2 nullisomy. Hyperploidy, increase. That means n plus 1, 2n plus 1, trisomy. Similarly, n plus 1 into n plus 1, 2n plus 2, tetrasomy. Like this, whether it is addition or deleted, that is aneuploidy. Then, along with this one, chromosomal aberration. That means any one among the segment of chromosome, either terminal or intercalated segment deleted, that is represent chromosomal aberration. In that chromosomal aberration, it will be present deficiency, deletion, inversion. All these three represent intrachromosomal, that aberration. All these three, it represent intrachromosomal aberration. Here, deficiency, loss of the loss of segment in the terminal part of chromosome. Deletion, loss of intercalary segment, the middle part of chromosome. Here, inversion, within the same chromosome, the genomes which it must transfer within the same chromosome are interchromosomal aberration. In the interchromosomal aberration, normally is present either duplication or translocation. Either duplication within the same, the doubling, or more than one or excess number of genomes which attach on the same. Here, translocation, non-homologous segments of the chromosome which exchange each other, that is translocation. So like that, in that gene mutation, if it is only one base pair on DNA, that is point mutation. If it is any methyl or amide or ketone in the DNA, that is tautomeric, or this gene mutation which influence on X-rays or chemical, externally, either chemical, physical, biological aspects. Morphologically, it is not identified gene mutation. While knowing genetically, one can. Morphologically did not. Whenever prominently, then only it must observable. But here, if you say about in that genomic polyploidy, autopolyploidy, say any one example of autopolyploidy. In this autopolyploidy, name itself represent, that is increase the number of genomes within the same chromosome. That is, for example, like that is one parent is present, then 3, then 4. Within the same genome, numerical increase on the same chromosome, same genome. Increase numerical changing on the same genome. Suppose A or B or C, whatever it may be. If it is increased, this is autopolyploidy. Normally, it is more than 2 sets it will be present. That means, for example, related to number, it will be present minimum more than 2 sets. If it is present 3 number, that is we call as triploid. If it is present 4, tetraploid. If it is present 5, pentaploid, or 6 hexaploid, hepta, octa, like that. According to number, then it represents different names and all. This normally odd number, that is important. Odd number of polyploidy, no synopsis. Odd number of polyploidy organisms or sterile organisms. What is the reason why odd number of polyploidy organisms are sterile? Because of no synopsis takes place. That's why these organisms propagated through vegetatively. For example, banana, pineapple. Example, banana, pineapple. These are actually banana, it will present triploidy normally, but artificially one chemical induces polyploidy, that is colchicine. artificially how one can increase? These are sterile, like colchicine as well as granosine and sulfur containing chemicals. Apart from this one, Vectrin or sulfur minilamine, such type of these induced work. Colchicine is more commonly induces tetraploidy, but this polyploidy condition, why it will be happen? Normally disjunctioning of chromosome at the time of anaphase, disjunctioning of chromosomes. Then especially while formation of spindles, disjunctioning of chromosome. That is important. Why polyploidy condition occurs in organism? Because of disjunctioning of chromosomes during anaphase while formation of spindle. That is the main reason of polyploidy. In this one, these are induces this particular polyploidy condition. In this polyploidy, it is also affected another very important one, Gigas effect. Why one can possible this Gigas effect? What is it by Gigas effect? Gigas effect nothing but one can increase size of organism, increase yielding. So polyploidy to increase the size of organism as well as high yielding production. That is we called as Gigas effect. For example, seedless watermelon, sugar beet, more content of sugar. Then as well as potato, such type of this organism in groundnut, this rice, wheat, these organisms normally one can induces this particular Gigas effect. So that is autopolyploidy. Then what is it by allopolyploidy? So development hybridization between two species. So what is the first allopolyploidy plant? That is Raphanobrassica, polyploidy plant, that is Raphanobrassica. Allopolyploidy, the first one, that is Raphanobrassica. This is tetraploid, 4n equal to 36. This is the first one. The second one, triticale. This is 6n. 6n it will be present. The first one, Raphanobrassica, that 4n tetraploid 36. Then triticale, either 6n, that means hexaploid or octaploid. That is, in Raphanobrassica, Raphanus sativus, that is the diploid condition 2n 18. One more, Brassica oleracea, diploid 2n 18. Both are crossing, then it form Raphanobrassica tetraploid 36, 18 plus 18. Then similarly triticale, one among the wheat plant, then another ripe plant, Secale cereale, ripe plant. This Secale cereale diploid condition 14, 2n equal to 14. Then wheat plant, one among the wheat plant drum, this wheat plant normally tetraploid condition, that is 28. That 14 plus 28, that is 42 hexaploid and all. That means here drum type of wheat as well as that ripe plant. Here it is present 4N28, here 2N14. Here normally in that wheat plant bread related wheat plant, normally it is a hexaploid, that is 42. It crosses with the ripe plant, that is a 40. Total 56. Like a triticale or this one, that is both are allopolyploidy. It may be causes Gigas effect and all. Then autopolyploidy by increasing chromosomal number, by increasing chromosomal sets, by adding of non-homologous genomes. That is we call as autopolyploidy. Autopolyploidy normally it is present, that is autopolyploidy. Normally it is present hexaploid, that is Helianthus tuberosum. It is normally Helianthus tuberosus. It is normally present Helianthus tuberosus and all. This is autopolyploidy. Then these are related to polyploidy. Then aneuploidy, already we said here, hypoploidy, monosomy. Monosomy, say any one example of monosomy related to human being. Monosomy, Turner's syndrome. Here normally 46 chromosome, here it is present 45. 44 plus X0, normally related to female. That is Turner's syndrome. Nullisomy, normally pathetic and that is related to very lethal, or it may causes death. So, except polyploid condition, more than 3, 4, 5 sets and all, otherwise this condition of the organism, they may chance to death. Then trisomy, it is commonly present. Trisomy, normally more than normal number, one set of chromosome it increases. That is in human being, normally we call as there is Down's syndrome on 21st chromosome. Then Edwards syndrome on 18th chromosome. Then Patos syndrome on 13th chromosome. These are trisomic condition. Apart from in sex-linked chromosome, that is the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter, by addition of X chromosome. By addition of X chromosome in male, all are trisomic one. Tetrasomy, more than 2 sets, that is a super female, super male. Normally it observable in super condition, that means normally female 44 in this particular, in a tetrasomy 44 autosomes plus XX, that is the normal female. Then 44 autosomes plus XXX. This is we call as tetrasomy, or 44 autosomes plus or 4. Here normally 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 it will be present. Then 4 or 44 autosomes, like that. These are related to super female. Related to male or XYY, super male. Related to the super female, in this condition, it is present tetraploidy condition. More than normal sets present here, tetraploidy condition. That is related to hyperploidy as well as hypoploidy, related to aneuploidy. Then chromosomal aberration, deficiency In chromosomal aberration, what represent the deficiency of this one? Deletion of chromosomal segment, terminal chromosomal segment, that is we called as deficiency. Suppose in a chromosome, the two arms are present, these are genomes. In this one, deletion or last segment of the chromosome, deletion of this particular part. If it is deletion or loss of terminal segment, then it forms like it is as usual AF. Because of it reduces when you compare to normal number, and all. Then related to deletion also the same. Instead of terminal, it lost intercalary. In this chromosome, it terminal intercalary segment of the like DE. Here DE, it is deleted. Here deleted intercalary segment of chromosome. Here deleted terminal part of segment of the chromosome. That is deletion. Then it is present like this. That is, so where all these normally observing either deficiency, deletion, normally notochord wing, that terminal wing, if deletion on the X chromosome in Drosophila, that is, it may be causes. Then apart from this one, Cre-Do chart, another best example, remember that Cre-Do chart, that deficiency or deletion, it is observable in Cre-Do chart disease. In human being, on 5th chromosome, that short arm deletion of the chromosome of the segment of the genomes, then it causes Cre-Do chart. That means cat like crying of the small infants because of that deletion. It may be causes. Then related to inversion, apart from this one, Drosophila, the terminal wing, notochord terminal wing, it is also which one can affected due to deletion. Then inversion normally reduces recombination. There is no causes any particular disease, but which reduce recombination. To reduce recombination, either loop, either normal. This is inversion. Normally it is present like this genomes. In these genomes, in this area inversion, if it is inversion, then we observe like AB, like EDC. Because of this one, there may reduce or suppress recombination. Then apart from this one, that loop inversions, it is also possible loop inversion. That means A, like B, C, D, E. This is a normal one. Then they may be possible to form A, like D, C, B, E. Like loop inversion, either normal or loop, any one, it must reduce maximum recombination, to reduce or suppress recombination. If it is suppress recombination, automatically remember there is no new genetic variety, there is no formation of new particular organism, that new variety, new genotypic organism, that is related to, that is interchromosomal aberration, either duplication or translocation. In this one, duplication, in interval, like a duplication. In this duplication, which increase one or more that particular genomes, which increase on that chromosome. Here C and D duplication. Then you observe like here B, C, D, C, D, E. In this area it duplicated. Because of duplication, normally in Drosophila, in B gene it is present, B gene present. It is a deleterious effect. In a duplication, there may causes deleterious effect. So normally scientists observe in Drosophila X chromosome, B gene, while duplication, then small size of the eye, that is a bar eye, that is one among this one, deleterious effect. For example of duplication, B gene on X chromosome in Drosophila, while duplication automatically to reduce size of the eye, that is one among the deleterious effect. Similarly, translocation, that means exchanging of non-homologous segments, to exchange non-homologous segments. Whenever exchange non-homologous segments, that is deleterious effect. Non-homologous. Translocation. In this translocation, one among these longer and shorter are one more non-homologous. Here exchanging of non-homologous these are two non-homologous which exchange, which translocated. But here you remember there is no change number of chromosomes. In the deletion, in the duplication, in remaining aspects there is a change the number of chromosomes. But here there is no change. Whatever the number, similar number, same number, it is present. But phenotypic character, they are changing from one chromosome to another one. Here, as usual, like F, here O and P. These two are translocated. Similarly here G and H. These two are one short arm of the segment genomes translocated, that means non-homologous, to another one. One chromosome short arm of genome translocated to another chromosome of the arm. For best example, in organisms like 22 chromosome, then it translocated to ninth chromosome, then it causes chronic myelonic leukemia. That is chronic myeloid leukemia. Chronic myeloid leukemia type of disease. Whenever translocated, as it is present, no problem. Minor change, translocated, deletion, duplication, any aspects in that particular genomes or chromosome, then it may causes different types of diseases. Here, chronic myeloid or myelonic leukemia disease affected. That is translocation everything. Like a point, any one among the base pair on DNA, it is point mutation or tautomeric, which is changing either amide, either ketone on the DNA segment, then there is a lot of effect. This effect of mutational, that is Muller scientist identified, there is a physical factor, chemical factor, biological factor, physical factor like X-rays, radiation, one among the factors, chemical like colchicine, all these mutation under, apart from soot as well as tobacco, nicotine, all the product, biological like viruses, these are causes these mutational changes under. These, apart from this one, then they must give some amount of genetical disorders in human beings also.